So today's video is a hairstyling video. So I'm going to be showing you all few hairstyles that I do which are really simple and super easy to do and will make you look cute instantly. So without wasting much more time, let's jump right into the video. So first begin with center parting your hair using any comb that you have. Using a straightener, I'm gonna set my hair. Now I'm gonna take a section of my hair and start French braiding it. It's really easy, you can follow the steps. I'm gonna brush the rest of my hair so that it doesn't get tangled, and then I have to clip the braid right above my ear. Same way I'm gonna do the other half also. This hairstyle is so easy and it literally took me 2 minutes to do it, and it looks really cute with western as well as Indian wear. For the second hairstyle, all you have to do is make a half pony just like this. I'm gonna take few strands of hair to get that messy look. Again, this hairstyle is not at all time consuming, and this hairstyle will look good with short hair as well as long hair. Now for this hairstyle, you have to make a same half pony like you did for the last hairstyle, but not as high as the last one. Now you have to twist your pony just like this, and then just put a rubber band. And then just put a pin to avoid any of your hair popping out. And this way you can get a messy bun. Also, this hairstyle is perfect for the humid and the summer season. So this hairstyle is for the ones who love their side parting. So all you have to do is take a section of hair and tie the rest of your hair. Now you have to start braiding your hair just like this. And braid till the end of your hair. Now put a pin to secure your braid. Now open the rest of your hair. Now pin this braid behind your ears, and this way it creates a sort of natural hairband. So for this hairstyle, I'm gonna center part my hair and make a pigtail of one half. Now for the other half, I'm gonna start braiding it from the top of my hair, just like this till the end of my hair. By the way, this look was inspired by Kylie. And the same way I did the other half, but I wasn't able to find the matching rubber bands, so hence yellow and black. This hairstyle is also really quick and will make you look super cute. And this hairstyle is good for the summers and humid season. Also, you can put these kind of fancy pins and hair bands to try out some different hairstyle without trying too hard. So yeah, that's it for the video. I really hope that you guys will like this video, and if you do, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and comment down below which one was your favorite hairstyle and which one are you gonna try. And till then, I'll see you really soon. Bye.